The Seven Sisters are not just seven bright stars, as astronomers discover a vast hidden family stretching across the sky. Thousands of long-lost siblings drift in the dark. According to studies from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill using NASA TESS and ESA Gaia data, this Greater Pleiades complex is 20 times larger than once believed. Stars form together, then scatter. Their spin reveals their age and origin. The team traced these shared rhythms to uncover this massive structure. Their work hints that even our own sun may come from a similar sprawling clan.